Welcome to the world of reclaimed wood, where sustainability meets artistry. In recent years, reclaimed wood has surged in popularity as an eco-friendly alternative for crafting furniture and decorative items. Sourced from old structures like barns, warehouses, and historic buildings, this material is not only a testament to the beauty of imperfection, but also plays a crucial role in reducing waste and promoting responsible consumption. Each piece of reclaimed wood carries a rich history, imbued with the character and charm that only time can bestow. By incorporating these unique materials into your home, you embrace a narrative that reflects both environmental consciousness and a love for craftsmanship. This blend of history and artistry invites a deeper connection to the items we choose to surround ourselves with. In this exploration, we will uncover the myriad possibilities that reclaimed wood offers, celebrating its versatility, durability, and aesthetic appeal while encouraging a shift towards more sustainable living practices. If you enjoyed the content, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might also appreciate the artistry of reclaimed wood. Your support helps us continue to create and share more stories about sustainable living and beautiful design. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Reclaimed wood has gained significant traction in the furniture and decorative item industry, largely due to a heightened awareness of sustainability and environmental impact. This material is sourced from various old structures, such as barns, factories, and even historic homes, which are dismantled and repurposed. Each piece of reclaimed wood tells a story, reflecting its previous life and the journey it has undergone. By choosing reclaimed wood, consumers are actively participating in a movement that prioritizes ecological responsibility while also celebrating craftsmanship. Aesthetic appeal. The aesthetic allure of reclaimed wood is one of its most defining characteristics. Unlike new wood, reclaimed timber possesses unique textures, colors, and grain patterns that have developed over years of exposure to the elements. This natural aging process creates a rich patina that can't be replicated, giving each item a distinctive appearance. The imperfections found in reclaimed wood, such as knots, nail holes, and weathered surfaces, add to its charm, making it an attractive option for those seeking individuality in their decor. As more people gravitate towards unique and meaningful home items, reclaimed wood stands out as a prime choice for creating visually striking pieces. In addition to its visual appeal, reclaimed wood is known for its durability. Many types of reclaimed wood, particularly those sourced from old-growth trees, are denser and more resilient than contemporary timber. Having already endured years of exposure to various environmental conditions, reclaimed wood can often withstand the test of time. This strength not only ensures that furniture remains functional over the years, but also helps maintain its aesthetic integrity. By investing in reclaimed wood furniture, consumers can enjoy long-lasting pieces that resist wear and tear, making it a practical choice for any home. Versatility in design. Reclaimed wood's versatility allows it to be used in a wide array of furniture styles. From rustic farmhouse tables to sleek, modern shelving units, reclaimed wood can adapt to various design aesthetics. This flexibility enables designers and craftsmen to create pieces that suit different tastes, whether it be contemporary, traditional, or eclectic. The ability to incorporate reclaimed wood into diverse styles not only broadens its appeal, but also allows homeowners to curate personalized spaces that reflect their unique tastes and lifestyles. Decorative items and artistry. Artisans often experiment with reclaimed wood to create innovative designs that serve both functional and aesthetic purposes, resulting in one-of-a-kind pieces that resonate with the viewer. Crafting furniture and decor from reclaimed wood requires a high level of skill and attention to detail. Artisans carefully select, clean, and prepare each piece of wood, ensuring that its natural beauty is highlighted while maintaining structural integrity. This meticulous process not only showcases the craftsmanship involved, but also fosters a deeper appreciation for handmade goods. By valuing the labor and artistry that go into each item, consumers can connect more meaningfully with the products they choose for their homes. Environmental impact. Choosing reclaimed wood is a conscious decision that aligns with a sustainable lifestyle. By supporting the use of reclaimed materials, consumers contribute to reducing deforestation and minimizing waste. This choice also supports local economies, as many artisans and businesses that specialize in reclaimed wood sourcing and crafting are often small and community-oriented. Engaging with these businesses promotes responsible sourcing practices and encourages a marketplace that values sustainability, making reclaimed wood a compelling option for eco-conscious consumers. Nostalgia and emotional connection. Incorporating reclaimed wood into home decor can evoke a sense of nostalgia and comfort. Many people find solace in the warmth and familiarity of wooden textures, which can create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. The emotional connection to materials often enhances the experience of a space, making it feel more lived in and personal. This emotional resonance can transform a house into a home, where stories and memories are woven into the very fabric of the environment. Innovation and trends. As the demand for reclaimed wood continues to rise, so does innovation in its application. Designers are exploring new techniques and styles, pushing the boundaries of what can be created with this versatile material. This ongoing exploration ensures that reclaimed wood remains relevant in contemporary design, appealing to a new generation of consumers who value both aesthetics and sustainability. By embracing creativity and innovation, the use of reclaimed wood can evolve to meet changing tastes and preferences. In summary, furniture and decorative pieces crafted from reclaimed wood offer a unique blend of beauty, durability, and sustainability. The rich history embedded in each piece, combined with the craftsmanship involved in its creation, makes reclaimed wood a cherished choice for those looking to enrich their living spaces. As more consumers seek out meaningful, eco-friendly options, the journey of reclaimed wood will continue to inspire future generations of designers and homeowners alike. Reclaimed wood not only adds character to any space, but also embodies a commitment to sustainable living and responsible design practices, a shift towards thoughtful consumption. The trend of utilizing reclaimed wood reflects a broader shift towards more thoughtful consumption. As awareness of environmental issues grows, consumers are becoming more discerning about their purchases. The appeal of reclaimed wood furniture and decor lies in its ability to combine style with a meaningful story, encouraging consumers to make choices that reflect their values. This shift promotes a deeper understanding of materials and their life cycle, fostering a more sustainable approach to design and consumption. This mindset encourages innovation and creativity in design, as artisans and manufacturers explore new ways to repurpose materials that might otherwise be discarded. As more people embrace this philosophy, the demand for reclaimed wood continues to grow, paving the way for a more conscious and responsible marketplace that values both beauty and ecological integrity. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed exploring the beauty and versatility of reclaimed wood with us. If you found the content inspiring, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with your friends and family. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue to bring you more engaging and informative content. We appreciate your time and look forward to seeing you in our next video.